Do you want to learn English? But when you initiate learning English, you find it difficult. If you are facing this problem, then this video is going to be very helpful for you all. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand whatever I am going to share. Everybody knows that practice is the main thing that people should to do for learning or achieving anything. But this is a language and we are not surrounded with English environment. That's why it can be quite difficult little bit. But it is not impossible. It is possible. So I don't have so much experience, but for learning English, what actually I am doing, that I am going to share in this video. Initially, I was not able to understand English. I was not able to speak as well, and I was not able to frame the sentence resiliently, flawlessly. But nowadays, I can share my thought, I can share my opinion, I can talk with any people anyhow. I am not considering myself so much good at English, but anyhow, I can communicate and I can reply to anyone. So let's go on the topic and let's go on the main thing, that what I do actually every day for polishing my English, for level up my English. Yeah, many videos you have seen, they have shared different way of learning process. But in this video, I'm going to share very easy that everybody can do it without any practice partner. They can practice themselves. That is C-say method. Yeah, there are many way of practice. There are many way of practicing English, such as listening, speaking, reading and writing. And among of all those, C-say method is one of the most important that improve your English very soon. It is all about speaking English. Yeah, C-say method. What is C-say method? C-say method is whatever you see around you, you just describe that thing in your English yourself. Whatever you see around you, you just describe that thing and say something about that thing in English language. This is very powerful way of practicing English. Initially you feel it's uncomfortable. Initially you will get it very uncomfortable. So when you do this practice every day continuously, you will feel good and you will become familiar with this practice, and gradually you improve. Because whenever you try to speak and you practice speaking English every day, your mouth become habitual to speak this language. Your mouth muscles become habitual to speak this language. So learning language is all about speaking, not about only reading and just watching anything. Reading, writing and listening and watching also important, but speaking is very important for learning for improving your English. Yeah, and if you really want to learn English, let me know in comment box and write in comment, yes, I want to learn. Then I will get you join in one English practice group. There you will get partner with whom you can speak English, and like that you can practice. Initially you feel awkward, like waste of time, but when you will stick with this practice method for long, you will become confident gradually and you can learn gradually. So as I told you, if you want to learn, and if you want to practice with partner, with co-learner, so drop your comment and I will get you join in that group. There are so many co-learner in that group, and you can practice there, you can speak there, because whenever you get speaking partner, there you will get chance to speak with them. So that's become natural practice. There becomes natural practice. So that's all for today. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We will meet again in next video. Till then, bye bye.